In a geometric sequence, we multiply a term by a non-zero constant and get the next term. We call this constant the common ratio and represent it by the variable r. Let's consider a geometric sequence 1, 3, 9, 27 and so on. Here we multiply each term by 3 and get the next term. Hence, the common ratio r is 3. We will discuss more examples in detail later in this video. Now, how can we find the common ratio of a geometric sequence? It is very simple. We take any two consecutive terms and divide one term by the previous term. Hence, common ratio r is equal to any term divided by the previous term, which means second term divided by the first term, or third term divided by second term, and so on. If we have to find a random term of a geometric sequence, we need a formula. So let's go to the next slide and find it. General formula for finding nth term in a geometric sequence. Consider a geometric sequence u1, u2, u3 and so on. Let first term is a, common ratio is r. First we write the first four terms of the geometric sequence. As first term is a, we write it on the right side. It is a geometric sequence, so we multiply the common ratio r with the first term and get the second term, a multiplied by r. We write this also on the right side. Now we multiply the common ratio r with the second term and get the third term, a multiplied by 2 times r. We write this also on the right side. Again, we multiply the common ratio r with the third term and get the fourth term, a multiplied by 3 times r. Let's write it on the right side. Now we rewrite the terms in the power form. Look at the arrangement of lines. Second, r to the power 1. Third, r to the power 2. Fourth, r to the power 3. And so, nth term will be a multiplied by r to the power n minus 1. So, formula for finding nth term in a geometric sequence is nth term is equal to a multiplied by r to the power n minus 1, where n is the term number you want to find, a is the first term of the sequence, r is the common ratio. A geometric sequence is also called a geometric progression, as it has a general formula for finding a random term. Now we consider some examples. First example is, for the given sequence, what is the 11th term? In this sequence, we see that we get next term by multiplying 2 to the previous term. Hence, it is a geometric sequence with common ratio r equal to 2, which can be found as any term divided by the previous term. Let's take second term. We have to divide by the previous term, which is the first term, and it is equal to 8 divided by 4 equal to 2. Now, formula with which we can find any term in a geometric sequence is nth term is equal to a multiplied by r raised to the power n minus 1, where n is the term number we want to find, equal to 11, a is the first term of the sequence, equal to 4, and common ratio r is 2. Putting values in the formula, 11th term is equal to 4096. Let's start second example. For the given sequence, what is the eighth term? Here we get next term by multiplying 1 by 3 to the previous term. Hence, the given sequence is a geometric sequence with common ratio r equal to 1 by 3. We have to find eighth term of this geometric sequence, for which formula is nth term is equal to a multiplied by r raised to power n minus 1, where n is the term number we want to find, n is 8. A is the first term of the sequence and is 2187, and common ratio r is 1 by 3. Putting values in the formula and solving, we get eighth term is equal to 1.